Ever found yourself in the throes of an epic quest, only to be thwarted by the sinister villain known as lag? Or perhaps you're trying to meet a tight deadline, but your trusty workstation is behaving more like a lazy sloth. These are common problems we all face with our devices. But fear not, Hamster's PC Repair is here to save the day. At Hamster's PC Repair, we're not just technicians, we're wizards who can breathe new life into your sluggish devices. Whether it's a game that's stuttering more than a nervous stand-up comedian, or a business computer that's as slow as a snail on a lazy Sunday afternoon, we've got the magic touch to get them back up to speed. Our mantra is simple: quality service at prices that won't make your wallet cry out in despair. We're all about bringing back respect to the common person and offering a sense of price relief that's been missing for far too long. We're in the business of making a little profit, but more importantly, we're in the business of ensuring you have a reliable PC repair service that fits your budget. But we're not just about repairs. We're about redefining what PC repair should be. We offer maintenance services, help with getting a new device, website design, and even guidance on building a custom PC that balances cost and performance. And for those who prefer to roll up their sleeves and get their hands dirty, we have a free custom-made tool to help you fix your Windows device on your own. And here's the cherry on top: our gaming guarantee. We're gamers ourselves, so we understand the importance of a smoothly running machine. We promise to tune your device to deliver the performance you need for a fantastic gaming experience. And if your business computer is running slow, this guarantee can help there too. So whether you're a gamer looking for that perfect frame rate, or a business owner in need of a more productive workstation, come to Hamster's PC Repair. We're not just a PC repair company, we're a PC repair company that cares about you as a person. We offer excellence, a gaming guarantee, and prices that won't break the bank. Give Hamster's PC Repair a try, because we believe in a world where you don't have to choose between quality service and affordable prices. With us, you can have both.